Hello and welcome to Social Media Ministries. My name is Spencer Kaufman. Today we have an exciting announcement. We received a package in the mail, and so we're going to open it. It's an unboxing of a new item that we have that will be announced. So let's get this thing open. And we got some tape there. All right, check it out. Let's see. Okay, look at this nice packaging. Your sample has arrived. It's time to show and tell. So that's what we're doing. We're showing and telling. What is it? Well, it came from Spring. You can check out a link in the description below in order to get your very own. Let's see what it is. We'll get rid of this box here. It is a new shirt. Social Media Ministries, we now have shirts, so you can check it out in the description below and order your very own. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of our new item, our new shirt. One note is we don't make any money on these shirts, so if you want to order them and wear them, that would be great. We are not profiting from it, so if you're thinking that, don't, because we don't make any money from the sale of these shirts. They're all sold at the cost of production, so you can check that out in the description below and order your own shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, whatever you like. So subscribe to the channel here and like the video if you can. If you have any questions, comment below. God bless.